guys. So, just got a redemption. Again. Okay, let's see the mate. So if you want to participate, just follow the instructions. Yeah. Search this MLBB creator. Wait. MLBB creation content. And yeah, you can see here. And you can earn diamonds if you if you upload videos and reach a total views of 5k, 10k, 20k, 50k or 100k, and you get that diamonds and share it. You can use YouTube, Facebook or Instagram. And here ranking awards, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram too is the leaderboard and money that. This is the leaderboard of the authors. And this is where you will see your submissions of what you upload. And if you wanna upload video, just use this link, MLBB creator or hashtag MLBB creator. So what are you waiting for? Do it now!